Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, by the title, you guys are seeing me review the Ipsy box for the month of December. This is the Glam Bag Plus, and the box is actually really big, and I was expecting huge products. I don't know what happened. I did see my products beforehand when I received an email showing me all the products that I was going to be receiving, but just by looking at that email kind of like made me like... So from here on forward, I will no longer be reviewing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because I did unsubscribe from the subscription box. For the past 3 months, I've just been let down by the products that I'm receiving. The eyeshadow palettes or palettes in general that I've been receiving have been really boring. And I don't know, it's just like the brands that I'm getting are just not... They're just not really exciting me. This box is $25 a month with taxes. It kind of rounds off to basically $30. And I just don't want to be spending $30 every single month on products that I'm just not going to be using. So yeah, I unsubscribed. This is my last box of the year and my last box overall. So I hope you guys understand. If you guys want to see what I received for my last box, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I just purchased a new microphone for my camera. I have been wanting to play around with the lens that I'm currently using, but when it focuses, it's pretty loud. So I had to get an external mic in order to use this lens once again, because this lens is pretty pricey, and I just have been hating the fact that it's just sitting in a box. So I invested into getting a new microphone. Let me know what you guys think about the audio and the video quality, if you guys like it better, if you guys even notice a difference. But I'm so used to talking very loud to my camera because it's at a distance from me, so I'm just trying to be sure that you guys can hear me. And now that I have a mic, it's picking up my voice a lot louder, so I don't know. I did mention in my intro that I'm receiving products from brands that aren't really exciting me. And I do want to say that we do receive products from high-end brands such as Smashbox. This eyeliner I think was, I don't know what Ipsy box I received it in, but Smashbox is a big brand, which I would be excited about it until you try the products and they just like, they're not any good. So that's kind of what I meant by that. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this month's box. In here, what is I guess the theme of the box is Shine On. Unless I'm wrong, but that's what it says here. I'm gonna be starting off with the products that I'm gonna use on my face first. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 masks, which I think that's pretty good. We have 4 of these masks. This is the Feel Beauty Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. And this comes in a set of 4, which retails for $35 for this set of 4. It says, detox the dirt away. This pitch black mask is saturated with purifying active charcoal and skin quenching hyaluronic acid to clear out any ickiness from your pores without drying the skin. This 4-pack is designed for weekly use, just enough time to get you through the holidays. And the tip of this is apply to freshly cleansed skin from the forehead down. It's so much easier that way, since gravity will guide it in its place. After removing, use the leftover essence as the serum step in your skin routine. Now we have to wait for how long? Okay, you're supposed to leave this on for about 30 minutes. I wanted to talk to you guys about my hair in the meantime. Do you guys notice anything different? It's fuller. So I ended up cutting my hair extensions. If you guys missed out on my hair extension review, I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here. Or up here, I forget where it is. I think it pops up right here. You know what? I just really like having my short haircut, but it's so annoying how thin my hair is that it just doesn't have any type of volume. So that's why I decided to cut my hair extensions to add that extra volume at the front. I don't know, girl, my hair's just not growing in the front at all, and you know, I've been staying away from heat to avoid like it breaking off, but regardless, it's not growing no matter like how much I stay away from my heat styling tools. Oh my god, I look funny talking like this. But yeah, I ended up cutting my hair extensions and now it just looks really full and I just absolutely love how it looks. My freaking lens is not focusing on my face because I have this mask on. Okay, you guys, so I have to take this off because my face is getting really itchy, or I just feel like it's getting really irritated. And I've just been having a lot of issues with my skin, as you guys previously seen, like my skin's condition. So I have to take this off because it's just really bothering me. So it does say that you're supposed to work this product into your skin so that you add that moisture into it. So that's what I'm gonna do. But tell me if you guys experience it when you guys receive your box. But my skin is just like burning. It felt like it was burning or like really itchy, so that's why I kind of had to take it off. I don't know if I should even put this product into my skin. I just have extremely sensitive skin that couldn't leave it on much longer. I previously had some gloss on, but I took it off because we also received 2 lip balms. These here are the Noya Organic Lip Balm Set in Peppermint and Vanilla. The set of 2 retails for $7.98. These here have 5 ingredients. That's it. This lip balm leaves lips soft and supple with 100% certified beeswax and organic coconut, olive, and essential oils. A hint of stevia helps indulge your sweet tooth and protects your lips from winter chafe. I'm not a fan of vanilla, so I'm gonna try the peppermint lip balm. I love peppermint. Again, not the most exciting product in the box, but I love the fact that they did send us lip balms in the wintertime because, yeah, my lips get pretty dry around this time. So I like that. But let's just keep going. Let's see what we got. The third item inside of my box is this Ipsy, the Van Ness eyeshadow quad. This is the ultimate winter eyeshadow quad. This versatile combo of matte and shimmery shades. Flawlessly mix and match for everyday looks or party ready smoky eyes. The powder soft buttery texture blends just as easily as a cream. We're obsessed. The value of this is $60. And this is a magnetic palette, so when you open it up, it has a good size mirror right on this side. And this is the quad of eyeshadows that you receive with it. It's not the funnest, like, 4 shades that you can possibly buy. I just don't really like magnetic palettes because you have to buy the eyeshadows individually, and if you start buying eyeshadows individually, I feel like it's just pricey. Like, I'm just not that bitch. Yeah, that's my thought on this. Like, it's not my jam. And then the mirror, I don't know if you guys can tell, look at the amount of scratches on there. There's just way too many scratches. Like, this just, oh, hold on. I think you can peel this off. Hold on. Oh, you can peel it off. Okay, I was just being a little picky bitch. If you have the same issue, you can just peel off this thing, and then there you have your mirror. God, I'm just fucking picking at this so much. It has a nice mirror from what I'm seeing now, but I'm hardly going to use this. I'm just going to use it for the purpose of this video, and I probably have these eyeshadows in a different palette. No, I don't, because I don't like these shades. We're going to create a look. Maybe we'll do something pretty, and I don't know. This palette, by the way, retails for $60. I don't know if it's just the palette itself that's $60 or if it includes the eyeshadow. So you can peel this off and you can see the eyeshadows are here individually. You can move them around and then just add more eyeshadows that you purchase from them, or just if you have any magnetic eyeshadows that you have lying around. I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I'm just placing that on the eyelid. I'm just making sure that I have a nice base for eyeshadow application. I'm going to use this white shade right here, and I'm going to be applying that right underneath the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to dip into this gray shade right here, and I'm going to be using this as my transition color. Well, the only color I can use because the other 2 are shimmers, so I'm just blending this in real nice. I'm going to raise my eyebrow and then just place it right into the crease area, and then take the rest and move it upwards. I don't like how it's looking right here. I don't know if it's a brush or if it's the eyeshadow. Let me try a different brush so we can try to fix this up. I'm going to take a Sigma E40 brush and go into the same exact shade, and I'm just going to start to blend this upwards into that white. Okay, that's softening up a little bit. See, it looks soft like this, but when you look from the front, I don't know. Whatever. Okay, let's move on to the next shade. I think I'm gonna go into this color. It's like a greenish, kind of like my shirt. So I'm gonna go in there with my finger and just apply it onto the lid area. Going back into that gray shade, I'm gonna start to kind of blend those colors. I don't know. I'm not really liking this. I wish these eyeshadows, the shimmer ones, were more of a metallic finish, but we gotta work with what we got. I have to take it out to the outer corner as well because it is kind of darker than I expected it to be. I'm gonna do some black eyeliner down here. I'm gonna grab a pencil brush. This is the Wet n Wild P10 brush, and I'm gonna go back into this. Oh, I almost slapped myself. I'm gonna go back into this color right here that I used on my lid. I'm just gonna smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this white shade that I used on underneath the brow bone, and I'm just gonna place it right in here just to kind of brighten up this inner corner. I'm just like placing it in there. Not too much blending, just kind of going in there like that. Brightening it up. I'm still not happy with this here. So I'm gonna go back into that white shade using that same exact blending brush and just kind of see if I can fix it in here a little. Because I don't like how it blended out. That did kind of soften it up a little bit. So now I'm going to do the other eye off camera. I'm going to apply the rest of my face. And then I'll be back to finish up showing you guys the other two products that I have inside of my box. You guys might hear some little car thing outside. I really wish I could live somewhere secluded where there's no neighbors in sight. Like, it's just me and my family, and like, that's it. I don't like having neighbors. I don't like socializing. I'm such an antisocial person. Anyway, let's move on. The next item I have inside of my box is this Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzer Brush. It looks extremely luxurious, and look at this. It's really fluffy and thick. This retails for $35, and it says every Complex Culture brush is made to multitask and save you time in your day thanks to its exclusive, luxurious, dense synthetic bristles designed to mimic natural brush hairs. This is a 2-in-1 setting and bronzing brush. Helps you apply both powder and product seamless. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just dipping into this powder here. Okay, this is a little bit too thick for the powder, but just trying it for the purpose of this video. You can see the light coming in. Look at my hair. From outside, I'm like filming during the day, right before I have to pick up my son. So for the first time, I'm gonna go pick him up looking nice, because I usually look like crap. I'm gonna use the brush with my Hoola Benefit bronzer. And just warm up the face like that. Oh shit, this is way too big. And I have a big forehead, so this just kind of like covers everything up. It's nice, but I just feel like it's a little bit too big. It's really soft though. I really like how the bristles make it really easy to blend. And then last but not least, we have this Morphe lipstick, and this is in the color Dominate. And it retails for $9, and it's Ultimate the Beauty Power Move. The bright red color and trendy matte finish are flirty, fierce, festive, and most importantly fun. And thanks to the highly pigmented long wearing formula, you'll never have to worry about touch-ups. I've been looking for a really nice matte red, and the liquid lipsticks that I have start to crumble, so I'm glad this is a lipstick. I can't wait to see if the formula is any good. Oh god. This is kind of hard to like swipe on. It reminds me of Melt Cosmetics lipsticks. They're very matte and they hold on to their color like for a good while. So I'm looking forward to see how long this color will last, because it's definitely difficult to put on. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I always forget to tell you guys that I also receive like a little bag in every box. This month I got this silver one. It's really cute. I like it. I like having little makeup bags like these so that I can just keep my makeup inside of my purse and it doesn't get it dirty. So let me see what my favorites were from this box. I really like this lipstick. I just feel like I have to play with it a little bit more because I haven't had a lipstick that's like very, I don't know, this one, it just feels really, it doesn't glide on like a satin lipstick. It's very matte. It doesn't feel dry at all on my lips, but since it's difficult to kind of apply on, I'm not used to playing with lip liners and all of that, so it's just like a learning process for me to apply lipsticks because my lips are kind of like lopsided. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have downturned lips. Can you guys tell? Like I lined it a little bit different right here. So it kind of goes down a little bit more droopy here and it's higher up here. So I just try to get them to look as similar as possible. But this is what we are working with today. I like the bronzer brush. It's kind of big, but it's actually really nice for bronzer, not for... I just wouldn't apply powder with this. I kind of had a difficult time like applying it right here. And I still feel like I'm going to crease in this area if I don't apply it with a different brush. Just making sure that I really get in there. It's just not meant for that. So it's really nice for bronzer. But as far as this month's box, these are the only two items that were okay. I wasn't super pumped for, but I'm pretty okay with the fact that I kind of got two products that I'll probably use more than once. But yeah, this is going to be my last review for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Like I mentioned before, I'm just really not satisfied with my monthly subscription box with them. The products just haven't been calling for me, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And also, in case you don't already know, I am hosting a giveaway that's, I don't know how many videos back, but it's my Wet n Wild collection review. So if you missed it, I'll go ahead and link it up here. I will be announcing my winner on the 20th. I'll probably respond to your comment. You're supposed to comment in that video, I think. I'm going to respond to your comment and let you know that you have to email me in order for you to receive your gift. Either that, or I'll probably announce it on an upload on the 20th. Either one, so just make sure that you're on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!